Jesus, we're up there. What do you think we are, 20 knots?
We're at about 15 knots.
Hey,
Oh, look, they raised the thing behind the first jet for the propulsion.
Oh, that's right. I can't believe they can go in that short of space, though. Woo, is this exciting, son of a bitch? Woo-hoo-hoo! Da 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 da. I don't know, babe. I would think the one's farthest back. See the shield way back there? God, I'll tell you, this is something.
This is something.
Yeah!
Look at these boats behind us.
Left on there, or are they all gone?
There's still one, but I can't hear it. Oh, maybe. Oh, here it goes.
There's one up there. Look at him banking.
He's giving us a wee. Oh my God.
Was that fabulous? Now do you believe me, Renee? It's all the crew standing there. Besides, those missile launching tubes are all enclosed. Don't listen to Veroni, he's Italian.
They're going to launch 14 missiles for you.
Go ahead, you won't hurt a thing. Can you see him now, babe?
I do, but yeah, now I believe you.
It was at D-Day.
And, oh, right.
We were there when it arrived.
And what's that? Is that last rig out there?
Oh, here you come, Marlene. Here you are, Marlene. Come out here. I just want to get a picture of you.
The crew of the submarine stands at attention as it went past the...
Incredible. Right, honey.
Dick, move forward. I just want to get a picture of you and Marlene with the bridge in there and everything. Get away from him, though, that ugly person.
No, he's all right.
Just lean forward a little bit.
Are you the person that called me ugly? You with a funny black nose?
Get the carrier.
It's either nuclear or submarine.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, here's the binocular.